Congratulations, guys. Yes, we did it. We made it to the finale. We funded, and your loan is either funded, it's recorded, or we're all done. If you're buying a property, what does that mean for you? That means you should be talking to your real estate agent. They should be giving you the keys to your property. Hopefully you're moving in. If this is a refinance, well, you'll probably get a notification here from escrow that you funded. If you're expecting cash out, make sure that escrow has your correct wire information. Never take wire information over the email. Make sure you call and verify that. But on top of that, I just want to say from me and the team, thank you so much for your business. We truly appreciate it. We know you have many options to go, many places. And so we value you as a client and appreciate the trust. And, we look forward to working with you or anybody we can help for you in the future. So thanks again from Kenny Simpson from the Simpson team. If you have any questions at all after the process, even after this is over, please reach out to us anytime. We'll talk to you guys soon.